Hey guys, it's Wolf Love here, back with another video. Okay, so in this video we're going to check out StormX, STMX, and currently this coin has been going boom. Just because in this video I will go over why I think that this coin is going up, and I do believe that this coin has a very good potential. There are a couple of things that I really look at, and currently I own 3 StormX tokens. I haven't bought StormX. I have like a people have signed under me, so I get like 0.1 coin uh, from the transaction exchanges, like as a payment. So I have 3 coins here, which is kind of cool. But I'm not currently like strong holding StormX because it's not in my area of competence. Okay, Charlie Munger talks about a lot of it, and you know, so basically there's an area where you know a lot. For example, let's say that you have been mining gold for 30 years, like you have been literally going physically in the mines, being mining it with the machines and whatever. You know more a lot about gold than a 28-year-old man who sits in front of the computer and talks about gold. Okay, so I think that's why I don't know much about how the easiest way to earn crypto. I don't know what has been in the past, what people have been using. I don't know what has been in the like what people do now. For example, like this is like as I understand it, this is like a honey app, so you can get like coupons and cashbacks and all that stuff. Like here you can see. So I have never used these myself. I have never used honey, so it's not. I have no idea what it is basically. But I know like the understand the concept here. But I understand that I understand that I don't understand anything about it. Like the small, like micro things, what people do, what mindset they are in when they are in the app and that all that. Because I think that that's very important to understand if you truly want to understand the company. Because yeah, but also you could just flip this coin. But I'm not looking here for to flip coins. I'm looking for investments that I can that grow in value in long term. And StormX is definitely, I love that I see this project because I have started watching it more and more. I have a couple of projects that are not in my area of competence, but as the years go by, I keep watching these companies, and if they perform well, I can buy a position later. Okay, like 2 years ago. If this is going to be the app and it is going to be the graph that it has been growing now, I can still buy here, because if I have studied 2 years here that the product is 10 out of 10, okay, I think that it's going still going up, so I can make huge gains here. Okay, so I don't have the FOMO in, because I know that there's going to be corrections. What I do is I just do a lot of these, for example, these type of videos, or just I spend 24/7 analyzing and researching cryptocurrencies, and I find projects that are interesting me, and then I start following them. And if they deliver constantly, I think that that's a good sign. Okay. And what's great, what I love with the StormX is that if you go to their website, they have huge partnerships, over 750 stores globally. Like, what is this? Our reach is global, and we have no plans on slowing down. We are adding new stores every day to ensure that your shop, you've got an option for crypto cashbacks. Okay, that's crazy. Look at this. Sega, Uber, Lego, Nike, Macy's, eBay, Samsung. What? Microsoft are partners. But like I said, even though there's partnership, that I don't really know. But the funny thing about this coin is that this is like the most funniest thing. Like this is funny. Listen to this. You can't hear this story anywhere else. Okay, so I was doing crypto research like I do every single day. Okay, and I don't remember what rabbit hole I took. It's just a huge rabbit hole, cryptocurrencies, and I just jumped in the hole. And after a couple of hours of digging, I ended up with Mark Cuban's Ethereum wallet. I don't know what happened. I don't really. I can't remember how I found it, but I found it. And then I started looking at the coins. I actually shared the wallet with you in the Gumroad product that I have. So the gold membership, which is $17 a month, where I show my white crypto portfolio. You can find it in the description. But I found Mark Cuban's address. I don't I don't truly remember how I found it. But then I started looking at the coins that he's buying. He was buying StormX, not like huge amounts, but just, you know, with a couple, I believe it's like a couple $100 or something like that. And I believe the price was here then. So it was, no, it was, okay, so let me show you. It wasn't that. I think that it was March. Some people were like here. So the price was, I believe that the price was definitely below, it was like 0.009. I believe that this was the price when I found it. And I looked at the coin and I saw the partnership, but I don't know, like, I didn't know anything about this like stuff. I have never used it, and it's not in my area of competence. I can't be good at everything, so I was like, yeah, this looks very, like, look at the web chat. I was like, yeah, this looks really legit. I should test the app, but then I was like, nah, I don't feel like, even though if I could make fast money here, I don't know what I'm buying, so I don't know what I'm selling. Okay, if you don't know what you are buying, you don't know what you are selling. So I couldn't be sure, like, what, when, like, I had no idea. Okay, but this has done extremely well. I'm so happy that some people have, for example, been buying here and holding it all the way here. Like, congratulations, you totally deserve it. Look at here, 7,000% gains. Insane. I love it. And you can, it's also on Binance, which means it's very liquid. I have a tutorial on my channel. If you want to buy StormX, you can find the tutorial on the channel. Just go on the search bar and type in StormX and you can find it. Currently 7 cents. Market cap. Circulating supply. I think that the hype for this coin currently is very hypey for the, because there's the partnerships and a lot of a lot of YouTubers hype this coin. I have seen it, like, it's a hype cycle. You can see JR and I Crypto, then the digital asset news, I believe that's the channel, and then can't remember the other channel, but there's many channels that are hyping up the StormX. Okay, and I follow a lot of these guys because I want to know what they are saying, because if I know what, like, a lot of people are saying, then I kind of like see what the trends are. And I currently created yesterday, created video about StormX. That video got like, I don't remember, like 400,000 views or something like that in a very short period of time. So StormX is definitely popping. It's definitely trending now, and I'm just trying to now figure out what is going to be the next trend. Okay. And yeah, anyway, this could go. I believe that this could fly even further, because it has Binance back in. If people really start hyping at the product, I believe that if the product is 100% good, like, it's, when you start using it, you're like, wow, I will use this for the rest of my life. Okay, if that's like the experience, then I think, oof, that's a good one. That's a good one. But like I said, I haven't tested the application myself. Okay, so anyway, that's that. So my price prediction for StormX after seeing all this hype, I definitely believe that StormX could go to below 1 cent. Like, I think that this could really fly but the only thing that this is going to, for example, think about Voyager or Celsius. The tokens are they go like $5 because the app is so good. The app is so good, and there's, for example, Voyager, you have to own 500 tokens so you can get bigger returns. So I think that it's genius. And the token supply for those are very low in a sense. So I don't know how this, I haven't like watched how this works, but just because people are pumping and people are currently selling nudes, I think that it has pumped already a lot. So I wouldn't buy this coin when it's this pumped. But I would buy it if you truly believe and you truly know what the upcoming news are. Because currently I think that cryptocurrency market, even though if the product has very good technology, it's going to be very good. But if there are no news coming in the short term, because currently I think news just pump coins. For example, if you look at Theta, it has pumped now some amounts. Okay, so here's 17%, and this was because it got a new US patent. Even though Theta is a very good product, it hadn't pumped, but as soon as it got the patent, it started pumping. It's all about news, okay? News and hype, in my opinion. So definitely watch that. Be careful out there. There are a lot of stuff out there, so always try to use. I try like to use logic and stay away with emotions. I know that it's very tempting and I'm salivating to buy this coin even more. I want to hold thousands of these coins because you know, it's very tempting, but I just, as soon as I started doing this circle of competence thing, um I started seeing better returns, and I just you know, started enjoying the process like more. Okay. And yeah, by the way, if you have any video ideas for me, just comment down below. I would love to hear your ideas, because I'm creating these videos basically for you, and also for me, and also for everybody else. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. Also, check out the free newsletter, and link in description, and also check out the portfolio if you want. You can find the details also in the description. Anyway, thank you so much, and see you in the next videos.